Using Keynote to create a film for your Westward project is extremely easy and can save you a lot of headache and a lot of time. The nicest feature about it is that there's no specific editing knowledge needed to create a film. You can already use the information and the knowledge and skills that you have from editing Google Slides or PowerPoint or previous keynotes. You have to make sure that your iPad is updated and ready to go. So be sure that you check under General and your software settings, your software update, to be sure that you have the most recent version of iOS installed. The second thing that you're going to have to make sure you have is the screen recording feature set as allowed under your control center. Simply click the green plus sign with it and you'll see that it's included in your controls. And the last thing we want to check is that our Keynote application is installed and it's up to date. If it is not installed or does not appear to be up to date, you're going to want to head to the self-service application to install Keynote or to update the version. With this done, we're able to create visually enticing presentations in a matter of minutes. And Keynote's great because it allows you to combine still images, like what you're seeing around here with the computer, in addition to motion or movies. And the newest versions of Keynote actually allow us to incorporate live video right into our presentation, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now. So it's another added element of kind of professionalism and an added option for you in your presentation. Make sure that you still adhere to the elements of design when you're creating your video. You're making something that's supposed to be visually interesting. So keep your text to a minimum. Highlight speaking points just like you would if you were presenting in front of class, but use the features and the bells and whistles to hammer home your ideas. Now, setting up and creating a video for Keynote does not require any type of special preparation other than making sure your program and your iOS are up to date. If you have any familiarity with Google Slides or PowerPoint, Keynote works very much the same. Simply add in elements like images or video or text by clicking the plus sign, selecting what you would like to incorporate, and then adding it onto the slide. With that element selected, you'll notice those blue little dots around it. You can click on the paintbrush option on the top, and that allows you to change the appearance of the item that you have inserted into your slide. So with those two buttons, the plus sign and that paintbrush, you can pretty much adjust or set up your presentation how you best see fit. When your presentation is completely ready to rock and roll, you can create a screen recording of it in presentation mode, which is what I'm doing right now. That will save right to your camera roll and allow you to upload it into Canvas from there. If you would like to add some extra features, you always can take your screen recording and put it into iMovie. That will allow you to change some timing of things, or if you misspoke on a slide, you can go back and edit out that audio. You also could add things in like background music, or some titles or some other images that you wanted to, even animations that may point on the screen if you are familiar with iMovie and want to take it a step further. However, I hope that you do try Keynote as a filmmaking application, and if you do have any issues as you're going through it, or if you'd like to experiment a little bit with it for this project, you're always welcome to stop into the IMC and see us. Good luck. Have fun.